Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys are all having a lovely day. I am super stoked for this video because we are going to be trying on, I am going to be trying on seven new pairs of lashes from Sephora. There was a bunch of new lashes from different brands that recently came to Sephora and I needed to purchase new lashes, so I just went and I stocked up. Let me try them all on for you guys so you guys can see all of these new styles. We can see, you know, which one is my favorite, which one is your favorite. You guys can let me know down in the comments. Let's get into the video. So I have 7 pairs of lashes here and I'm very excited to try them all on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put these down because my hands hurt. But I currently already have some lashes on. I just filmed a little Instagram tutorial for this cute little Valentine's Day makeup look. I don't know why I said little, but it's just like a simple Valentine's Day look. Anyway, so I have some Lily lashes on in this style. Paris Lily lashes are definitely some of my favorite lashes. They just look so beautiful and fluffy. We're going to take these off. Oh, I didn't realize how much glue I used. So I'm going to take these ones off. Oh my god. If you guys are concerned about the integrity of your natural lashes, don't just rip lashes off like that because you will lose little lashes. You will lose your real lashes, and that's why my real lashes look so short and stubby. I'm not using a lash serum anymore. I gave that up because it doesn't matter when I'm ripping my lashes off like that. It's not good. But you could use like a Q-tip with some oil or makeup remover and remove the lashes very gently. That way I just don't choose to do that. Okay, so moving on, I have 3 pairs of lashes from Tarte. They have new pairs of lashes. I have 3 pairs of lashes from House of Lashes and Sephora collection, which House of Lashes is one of my favorite brands as well. To be completely honest, I have not loved the Tarte lashes I've tried in the past, so I was like, let's give them another chance. And then I have 1 new pair of Lily lashes, and these ones I'm the most excited for because, as I said, Lily lashes are some of my faves. So I'm just going to start, I guess, trying them on. And I'm gonna go from natural to drama. We're gonna like bump it all the way up to the most dramatic. Out of all of these lashes, I would say the most natural pair to me would be the style Sweet Pea. These ones are very long, but they do look super, super natural. So we're gonna start by trying these on. I will show you guys how to apply lashes. If you're watching this, you're like, Emma, I don't even know how to apply lashes. I don't even know I'm watching this. Well, I will show you guys how to apply them real quick, and then the rest of the video we'll just breeze through and I'll show you guys the different styles. So first of all, I will measure the lashes to my eye, and you guys can see I already have mascara on. You want to make sure you do like a thin coat of mascara first. Cool? Okay. So measure it to your eye. Typically, you will have to cut a little bit off of the outer corner unless you have like just huge eyes. If that's your eye, you are so blessed. Most of us have to at least trim a little bit. If you have small eyes, you'll probably have to trim a lot. If you don't trim the lashes, they will look super janky. So I'm gonna have to go through and trim every single pair of these lashes, which is the most tedious part. Okay, so I just trimmed the lashes and I applied some glue. I am using the Sephora collection brush tip lash adhesive. I like this one because it dries down clear and it's latex free and it's brush on, so super easy to use. So I just have my lash on my lash applicator. I want to make sure I let the glue get tacky, so it'll take about 30 to 60 seconds. Usually I'll multitask and like start doing my brows or my lips or something else, but I have all of my makeup on, so I'm just gonna bend the band a little bit so that way it will fit the shape of my eye better. And once I feel like the glue is tacky enough, we're just gonna place it on. I like to make sure it's secured at the outer corner and then secure on the inner corner. Alright, so these are the first pair of lashes, and these are really, really pretty. They're super, super natural, and I do quite like them. They're not quite as full as I normally would go, but if you're just wanting a super natural lash, the band isn't very thick, so they're easy to apply, and they just look really pretty. So normally I always go in with a little bit of black liquid liner just right on top of the lash line and on top of the band so that it looks more natural, and it does help open the eyes more. But since we're trying on so many pairs, nobody's got time for that today. We're not going to worry about that. But just an extra tip for you guys, it does make the biggest freaking difference. But yeah, let's try on the rest of the lashes. Going in order, we are going to do the next style, which is the House of Lashes Azalea Lashes. These ones are really pretty. They're still natural, but they're a little bit more full than these ones, and they have more of the volume in the center of the lash. So I'm gonna trim these and pop them on. Alright, so this is the style Azalea, and these ones are really, really pretty. I do like these a lot. They are still very natural, but with that little bit of volume. The band is a little bit thick on these, I will admit, so if you guys are not comfortable with a thick band, I might say try a different style or go with the previous one, but these are very, very beautiful. Now let's try on the style House of Lashes Marigold. I am super stoked to try these. They look very similar to my favorite House of Lashes pair, which is the style Natalia. So if these ones are as much like those as I think, then I think they might be some of my new favorite. Let's try them out. Oh my gosh, I love these lashes. These are Marigold, and they are so beautiful. They are so fluffy and flirty and full, and what do you guys think? Because I think that I love them. They are very like curled, and they just open the eyes so much, and these are definitely my favorite lashes so far. I definitely love more dramatic lashes, and these are like a very good mix of a natural and drama. I just want to keep these on. I don't even want to take them off. But we are going to go into the next style, which, you know what, I'm even more excited about than these ones. These are the Lily Lashes collaboration with Sephora collection in the style Big Day Lash, and these look so stunning. These ones are a little different because they look like they are longer on the outer corners, so they're gonna kind of open the eye up more that way. So let's try on the next pair. Alright, so these are the Big Day Lashes by Lily Lashes, and I think they are absolutely stunning. I really like these. I love how wispy that they are. I love how fluffy and flirty, and they are, again, like natural but still dramatic. They're that perfect combination. What do you guys think of these? You guys need to let me know what your favorite lashes are, because I don't really know. I'm starting to enjoy all of them. And let's move on to the last 3 pairs of lashes. These are by Tarte, and as you guys can tell, these ones are all a lot more dramatic. I think we're gonna go with the next style being Go To Lashes. So these are Tarte lashes in the style Go To Lashes, and these to me look pretty thick. I remember the band on Tarte being pretty thick, so let's see if they are difficult to apply. I will let you guys know. I feel like the Lily lashes are kind of thick, but they're so flexible that they're pretty easy to work with. Just be very, very careful because they're kind of fragile, and I'm scared that they would fall apart if you guys like pull too hard, and they're very expensive. These ones are pricey. I feel like if you're gentle with them though, you can reuse them a lot of times. All of these lashes, if you take good care of them, you can reuse them so many times, okay? let's try these on. These are the lashes. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the go-to lashes. Why do I love these? I didn't think I was gonna like them that much. These are really interesting because they're like short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. I don't know if you guys can tell. Sorry, my application's starting to get a little janky. I stopped gluing them on because there's so much glue on my lash line that they're just automatically staying. So if it looks like they're coming off, it's okay. But these are stunning! Oh my goodness. I love the way they make my eyes look. I think I'm in love with all of these lashes. I'm gonna be so stocked and set on lashes for like a while. If you guys are not used to wearing lashes, don't start wearing them because when you take them off, you will feel literally naked. You'll be like, ew, who am I? I hate my natural lashes. They're little stumps. The next style that I'm going to try is, ooh, I don't know which style is more dramatic. Okay, this is definitely more dramatic, right? Okay, so we are gonna try Wifey. These look like a little bit more volume. They're definitely more black and full. And let's see. Ooh. The drama. What do you guys think of these lashes? I gotta be honest, the band on these are thick. These have a thick band, and this is what I remember about the Tarte lashes that I did not love before. They are a really good freaking price point though. For being this dramatic, it's hard to get like really pretty dramatic lashes at a low price point, so I would recommend them, but they are a little bit harder to apply. As you guys can see, I didn't do the best application, but they're very pretty and they're nice and dramatic, and they definitely are more like spiky, which I'm into a spiky lash. They do look a little crazy though. I don't know. So far, I like the other styles better, but if I had like a lot more of a dramatic eye look, and even with a wing out eyeliner, I think these would look really, really good. So let's try on the last pair, you guys. We are on to the final pair. This is in the style Sassy. These ones really, really separate and like poke out. So that could be either really good or really bad. It might be like the cutest thing ever. It might be the most uncute, crazy, spidery eyelashes ever. I don't know, I'm very curious. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we have the last and final pair of lashes, and these ones are the style Sassy. I love these! These ones look very like doll eye type of lashes, if you guys know what I'm saying. These are gorgeous. Like, I really love these. To me, they don't look as dramatic as the last pair. Maybe it's because of the way that I cut them. Yeah, they give me the really beautiful like doll eyes. I really like these. Thumbs up. Honestly, thumbs up to every single pair of lashes. I would say the style before was probably my least favorite, but I still like them and will probably wear them. And that was in the style Wifey. But the rest of them, I mean, even those pair, like, they're all really, really good, and all of these lashes are really cute and I like them all. So yeah, I guess that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little lash try on haul. Like I said before, please comment down below. Let me know what your favorite style of lashes were in this video, and also if you guys have a favorite pair of lashes in general, let me know so I can go and check them out. I clearly love lashes and I cannot live without them. I feel very naked without my lashes. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and also on Twitter, because I recently had to start up a new Twitter account. My other one was unfortunately suspended permanently, which I don't even want to go into it because it makes me really sad. But yeah, both of my Twitter and Instagram are the same. Follow those, give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you liked this video and you want to see more from me, because I have some really fun things coming soon. I think that's it. Click the little bell thing, and I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.